Hello and welcome. Sorry for the long delay in uploading videos. I've been busy running my business. I see a lot of videos about creators saying things like, my channel has been deleted, or my views are down, or I can't make enough money on the platform. That is why some of you have a Patreon account. The problem with Patreon is that it has high fees. It's much cheaper if you host your own paid content on your own site. Now, why is it so important to have your own website for your paid content? Think about it. If you are a woman that heard about a new nightclub and there is going to be an attractive rich man there, then you tell all your friends about it. But why would you? You already going to have competition from other women at the club, so why bring more competition with you? And that is what's happening when you are sending people from one platform to another. I can't tell you how many times I went on YouTube in search of specific video topics and got distracted by other videos and sometimes forget why I was there. When you send people to your site, they will only see your videos, no competition. For creators, platform like YouTube is a pro and a con for the same reason, a catch-22. Your content is there because millions of viewers are there, but there is too much competition because every creator is there. To improve your chances at being successful, you have to separate yourself from the crowd. Promote your site, not another platform. We are not saying to delete your YouTube channel. After all, it's free marketing. The key is to turn free subscribers on YouTube into paying subscribers on your site. Some may be tech savvy enough to do that, but most prefer to concentrate on making content. We build a Patreon alternative service where all you pay is our hosting fee plus bandwidth that you used. But don't worry, we will teach you how to price your content so bandwidth cost is not an issue. You keep 100% of the money you make from subscription, sponsorship, and merch. Just upload your content and we will take care of everything for you. The link is at the top of this channel description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on our next video.